Hey guys, Josie here with Brinkley RV. Today I'm standing outside of one of our Model Z fifth wheels and we are super excited to show you a brand new feature. As you may have already noticed, we've added an additional safety feature on the back of our Model Zs. After listening to customer feedback, we know that you guys love using your 2-inch hitch receiver. A lot of customers are mounting up bike racks or putting storage boxes back here, and when they're doing that, it's actually covering up the rear brake light. In order to remedy this, we went and added 2 long red strip lights that go the entire height of the rear wall of your unit. And note, these are not going to be running lights. These are only going to work when you are functioning your turn signal or operating your brake. For more information on our Model Z, visit us at brinkley RV.com.